The given problem, two plates subjected to a tensile force of 50 kilonewtons are fixed together by means of three rivets. The plates and rivets are made of material having tensile yield strength 250 Newton per mm square. If the factor of safety is 2.5, then determine question number A, diameter of the rivets, question number B, the thickness of the plate. First, let us write the given data. Given data. Two plates subjected to a tensile force of 50 kilonewtons. That means F equal to 50 kilonewtons. You can also write in terms of newtons 50 into 10 power 3 newtons. You can see the front view of the given figure. Two equal and opposite forces that equal to 50 kilonewtons acting on these plates. You can see the one force acting towards left side, another force acting towards right side. These two forces are equal and opposite directions. Uh, Number of rivets are three. You can see the top view. This is the first rivet, second rivet, and third rivet. Number of rivets are three. Tensile yield strength, that means SYT, that equal to 250 Newton per mm square. Factor of safety equal to 2.5. We can determine the diameter of the rivet by using permissible shear stress tau. Similarly, we can determine thickness by using permissible tensile stress. We know the relation between shear stress and yield stress for rivet. Shear stress at shear stress at at yield point that equal to S S Y SSY equal to, that means shear stress equal to half of the yield stress, half of the yield stress, tensile yield strength, that means 1 by 2 into tensile yield strength equal to 250 Newton per mm square, that equal to 125 Newton per mm square. In rivet, shear stress is acting. We know that to number of different types of stresses are acting on the rivet. The most important stress is shear stress. In rivet, in rivet, shear stress is acting. Shear stress is acting. Now find out the permissible shear stress. Permissible. Now find out the permissible shear stress. That equal to shear stress at yield point by, that means SSY by factor of safety, that equal to 125 by 125 by 2.5, that equal to 50 Newton per mm square. Now find out the total shear stress. Here, shear stress acting at rivet, shank or body diameter. So here he has given the three rivets. So find out the total shear area. Total shear area equal to 3 into pi by 4 d square. Because there are three rivets in place, so shear force equal to shear area into shear stress. Here there are three rivets in place. There are three rivets in plate. So find out the shear force F equal to 3 into 5 by 4 d square into tau. Uh, from this equation you can write d value because he is asking the diameter of the rivet. So write tau equal to 4f by 3f d square. You can also write d equal to under root 4f by 3 phi tau. Now substitute values under root 4 into uh, shear force, shear stress is 50 Newton per mm square. Substitute here by 3 phi into tau. Tau means shear stress, that is 50. This is the force means this force acting on the plates, that is 50 kilonewtons, that is tensile force. So 50 into 10 cube, this is the 10 15 10 cube, this is the shear stress. So simplify this equation, we can get 50 50 get cancel. Okay, simplify by using calcis 20.60 mm. So approximately this value equal to 22 mm. By using rivet diameter tables, I am taking approximate diameter of the rivet is 22 mm. Now determine the thickness of the plate. For plate, permissible tensile stress, permissible tensile stress, permissible tensile stress equal to yield shear strength by factor of safety, SYT, by factor of safety equal to 250. 250 by factor of safety is 2.5, that equal to 100 Newton per mm square. Now Write the equation for tensile force, permissible tensile force F equal to sigma T, permissible tensile stress into total length is 200 minus remove the diameters of 3 rivets, that is 3 into D into thickness T. Now substitute the values here. Permissible tensile stress is 100 into 200 minus, we know the diameters, that is 22, we don't know the thickness, also we know the permissible tensile stress, that is 50 kilonewtons, 50 into 10 cube. Okay, now simplify this equation, we can get T equal to 3.73, approximately this value is 4 mm. Okay, he is asking the diameter of the rivet is 22 mm and thickness of the plate is 4 mm. Okay, this is the solution for the given problem.